Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to elevate your content, tell cinematic stories, or start a vlogging channel, finding the right gear is your very first step. In today's video, we are breaking down the top choices to find the best camera for videography that fits your specific shooting style and budget. We have analyzed 5 incredibly popular options, ranging from action cams to traditional DSLRs, to help you make the perfect buying choice today. Let's jump right in.
Product number 1, Canon Rebel Double Zoom Kit. First up is a classic powerhouse for those entering the world of interchangeable lenses, the Canon Rebel Double Zoom Kit. This bundle features the legendary Canon DSLR body paired with 2 versatile lenses, the EF 18-55mm and the 75-300mm. For videography, this setup provides an exceptional learning ground to master manual exposure, depth of field, and framing. The standard zoom is perfect for everyday vlogging and speaking to camera setups, while the telephoto zoom lets you capture sharp B-roll from a distance. Canon's renowned color science delivers beautiful, natural skin tones right out of the camera, minimizing the need for heavy color grading in post-production. The robust DSLR grip gives you excellent handheld stability, and the massive ecosystem of EF lenses means your kit can grow alongside your skills. It is an ideal starting point for anyone wanting a traditional, cinematic filmmaking experience.
Product number 2, DJI Osmo Action Combo. If your videography takes you outdoors, into the water, or down fast-paced trails, the DJI Osmo Action Essential Combo is an absolute game changer. Built for rugged performance, this ultra-compact camera delivers jaw-dropping stabilization that completely smooths out shaky, high-action footage. It boasts incredible waterproof capabilities and long-lasting battery life, ensuring you never miss a moment of adventure. The front and rear dual touchscreens make framing yourself incredibly simple, which is a massive plus for solo vloggers. Despite its tiny footprint, it captures stunning high-resolution video with excellent dynamic range, handling bright sunlight and deep shadows effortlessly. The wide-angle perspective pulls the viewer directly into the environment, making it perfect for travel content, sports, and immersive first-person points of view. If durability, pocket-sized portability, and buttery-smooth movement are your highest priorities, this action powerhouse is tough to beat.
Product number 3, a Boo 8K digital camera. Next on our list is a highly accessible 4K digital vlogging camera designed specifically for creators who want a straightforward, user-friendly experience. This camera stands out with its sharp autofocus system and a responsive flip-out touchscreen that makes solo shooting stress-free. It features built-in anti-shake technology to keep your handheld panning shots looking steady and professional. The 4K video capture gives you crisp details, making your YouTube uploads look sharp and high quality. Its lightweight, compact body means you can easily toss it into a backpack for daily filming. It serves as an excellent intermediate step for creators transitioning away from smartphone video, who want dedicated camera controls without the steep learning curve of high-end mirrorless systems. For lifestyle vloggers and casual content creators looking for an affordable all-in-one package, this setup offers fantastic everyday utility.
Product number 4, Flatic 4K Digital Camera Bundle. Our fourth contender is the Flatic 4K digital camera, which comes as a comprehensive creator bundle complete with an external microphone and a wide-angle lens accessory. Audio is half of the viewing experience, and the inclusion of a dedicated hot shoe microphone ensures your voice stays clear and isolated from background noise. The wide-angle attachment allows you to capture more of your surroundings, making it excellent for indoor room tours, real estate videos, or tight vlogging angles. It operates with a dual battery system, giving you peace of mind during extended shooting sessions without worrying about running out of power. The interface is intuitive, allowing you to switch between video and photo modes instantly. This bundle provides massive value for budget-conscious creators who want a complete production setup right out of the box without buying separate audio gear. Product number 5, Canon EOS Content Creator Camera. Rounding out our selection is a modern Canon mirrorless camera system powered by a highly capable Digic image processor. Built specifically with beginners and modern content creators in mind, this camera combines the legendary Canon color palette with advanced fast autofocus tracking. The mirrorless design keeps the body remarkably compact and lightweight while retaining the ability to swap lenses to suit your creative vision. It excels at producing beautiful background blur, instantly giving your talking head videos and product close-ups a highly polished professional look. Smartphone compatibility is seamless, allowing you to transfer high-quality video files to your phone wirelessly for quick social media updates. If you want a future-proof system backed by industry-standard processing and stellar low-light performance, this mirrorless option provides a premium gateway into high-end videography. Thank you for watching the video till the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.